Welcome to Pariksha series by Vishnu IAS Academy. Here we will discuss one UPSC PYQ every day to help you write better answers. Today's question is about urban floods, and I've taken this question in the context of increasing rains in Hyderabad especially. So the question goes, the frequency of urban floods due to high intensity rainfall is increasing over the years. Discuss the reasons of urban floods, highlight the mechanisms for preparedness to reduce the risk during such events. So, here are two things. First, whenever they give a statement, it's important to address the statement in the beginning itself. Once you address it, he said frequency of urban floods due to high intensity rainfall is increasing. So, if you address it in the beginning itself, you don't have to drag on that point later in the question. You can just continue with your question. So start with this, give a fact of how urban floods are increasing and how what kind of inconvenience they're causing, the death toll and everything. After that, you can go directly into reasons of urban floods. You can also write urban floods. You can also write the definition of urban floods. After that, you can give a data point. After that, you need to go to the reasons. For reasons, you can use n number of diagrams over here. One is high intensity rainfall, link it to global warming, link it to climate change. And most important factor when it comes to urban floods is the unplanned development. Okay, here I have a favorite example which I've always liked quoting in urban floods topic, which is you can link it to Harappan civilization. If you know, last year in Pakistan, there were massive floods, but the Harappa city, the city of Harappa, it was not flooded. So it shows that we need to seriously work on our draining. You can use innovative examples like this. Next, you need to talk about preparedness mechanisms. People have no idea, have no knowledge about how to survive an urban flood also. Things like rainwater harvesting, early warning systems, stormwater drainage planning, all of these are properly needed, and you need to also tell what government is doing regarding this, which is Smart Cities Mission, Amrut initiatives. After writing all this, you can conclude holistically, like what a big problem this is and how entire city, our infrastructures can be compromised, because this is a big problem in metropolitan cities today. In Bangalore, in Hyderabad, in Delhi, all the operations are compromised, and in those days, in those particular days, the operations, the productivity, the income, everything takes a hit, not just the infrastructure. On these lines, you can give a conclusion. I'd like to see your answers in the comment section. Thank you.